We watched these ants come from that chair all the way to here. We don't know what's going on, but I think they're either moving or they're attacking this other anthill. Yeah, we're watching. Okay, so the ants are here stealing babies from this ant nest. And they are heading back home.
Huh.
Wow. So these little black ants are losing all their babies to these red ants.
Like they're not coming back without a baby.
Every single one of these ants
He's got whatever that is.
has got a larva. We followed them from the chair all the way to here. And they're headed back.
Mission accomplished.
And we are back to the chair. This is how we found these ants. We were sitting in this chair and they walked by her feet. And we followed them. And they went to that other ant colony, stole all their eggs. And I guess they're heading back home after a successful hunt. They just wiped out those black ants. They took all their babies. As you can see, almost every one of them has an egg in their mouth, or a larva, or whatever they're called. They're going in there somewhere. I think we found their house on the other side. Here comes the army, and I think that's where they're going to take them.
I put him in there. Yeah, they're going in there.
Yep. So